Sit. Okay.
Oh god. Too cute.
Sit mo siya yung stay. Sit. Sit.
Say hi, Sam. That's Sammy. She's very friendly.
This is the first time.
First time we brought her
Oh
here.
yeah.
First time inside, so
Yeah.
getting her
I can see all
familiar.
these big doggies. Oh.
Getting her familiar with the place.
Oh. Yes. You gotta run fast in this one. I hope you can wrestle. Can you wrestle?
We were thinking like if it's a smaller medium. This is a medium dog, right?
No, Sammy's medium.
What are the medium? This is small.
Yeah, but if she's fine with other dogs, then
But maybe because the breed, because her breed is really like that size.
So she's considered a small dog.
I would think, I don't know, like, I'm not scientific here, but when we take her to the vet, they say, I think it's like 20. Is she over 20 pounds? I think it might be like 20 to 50 pounds.
This is 25.
So, yeah,
Oh.
I think it's more of just
Yeah.
whatever her comfort level is probably where you should put her. You know what I mean? And she seems like she's like
she's not
that.
aggressive though. She likes.
Yeah,
dogs.
so she's not jumping on you guys like pick me up. So she
No.
looks comfortable, yeah. So
She's just trying to familiarize herself.
sure. How old is she?
She's like a year. Oh no, 3 years and 4 months.
Are you all her dad?
Me.
Just you? All bros?
I love you, uncle.
We're visiting from San Francisco.
It's like a family.
I love you, uncle. I love you, uncle.
I love you too.
Oh, so that's a small dog.